It's me again, Oliviana, as name in Roblox, and this is me, and real name say is Princess. We are some ordering if we need money. All my stuff is 5, and someone is ordering. Her name is Maria, and address is Taytay, payment is 5. She got 2 heart. I'm gonna get it with a few minutes. This one is perfect, and this is her order to me. Where's the little heart? I found it. I DIY made this by handmade. This is her order. This is her order. So this is our package. This is our package. I said thank you. Please buy again. This is what I do. So this one is I gonna put in the bag. I do a handmade of this, but I know it's really hard to be vlogger. Vlogger it's being me. So let's put her name in the here in the package. So I have a free gift. I put it on. I'm gonna deliver it. I'm gonna put in the box here. And she is not delivering. She delivered. So if you want to buy, please comment in this comment section. Bye. This is me, Princess. Name as the Roblox Oliviana 38. Please unfriend me.